Hello everyone, hope you all are well. What will happen when hot lava is poured over on a glass cube and placed on a glass ball? Will the lava melt the glass? And have you ever seen such an illusion in which the balls automatically fall into the middle and how it's done? I am going to tell you in this video. In our list, you will get to see 5 amazing experiments. Number 1 is rocket in fidget spinner. Friends, what happen when 3 powerful rockets are placed on the top of this fidget spinner? As soon as these rockets are fired, the rocket spin the fidget spinner so fast that it spin around at its speed. The smoke builds up and continues for 2 minutes and 15 seconds after the rocket. Defibrillate machine. This is a machine that you may not have seen in real life, but you have must seen it in movies. This machine gives electric shock to a person. What will happen if the shocks are given to the soil? First, the machine will be charged, and when the shocks are given to the wet soil, these shocks will be so much faster than the insect living in the ground will come out, and if repeated shocks are given, then all the insects are living in the ground will come out from the ground. नेक्स्ट है 3D इल्यूजन। इस इल्यूजन देखने में आपकी आंखें धोखा खा जाएंगी कि ये हो कैसे रहा है, कैसे ये बॉल्स कॉर्नर से मिडल में आकर रुक जाती हैं। तो दोस्तों, ये थर्माकोल से बनाया गया इल्यूजन है, जिसको दूसरी साइड से देखने पर ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है। ये सारी ट्रिक आपको इसको इस दूसरी साइड से देखने में समझ आ जाएगी। ये दिखने में कुछ इस तरह का होता है और इसी वजह से ये सारी बॉल्स मिडल्स में ऑटोमेटिकली आकर रुक जाती हैं। और आप इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को घर पे भी कर सकते हैं एक थर्माकोल की मदद से। नेक्स्ट इज रिवर्सिबल केमिकल रिएक्शन। टू डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट यू विल हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ केमिकल्स इन वाटर लाइक glucose, KOH and methylene blue and some other chemicals to see what happens. It is transparent like water, but as soon as you shake this mixture for a while, it will change color and becomes blue. And as soon as you put it down, after a while it will become clear and it will transparent again just like water. 100-degree metal bottle versus jelly. This jelly is so soft that you guys know. But what happens when a 1000-degree metal ball is placed on top of it? First, a metal ball was heated to 1000 degree, and after that, when this metal bottle was placed on the top of this jelly started melting very quickly, and all of it got melted. Wherever this metal ball was placed, the jelly was melted from there. In this list, please comment and tell in which is the most cool experiment, and if you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next amazing video. Until goodbye.